So, working with a strip set and you need to be doing some subcutting. Well, here is a recommended best approach. One, you can see that I've sewn my 3 strips together and I have all of my selvage edges at one end. So the first thing I'm going to do as a right-handed cutter is I am going to place a line on my ruler on one of the seam lines. And then I'm just going to use my rotary cutter to trim off those selvage edges so I have a nice clean edge to work from. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to rotate it around so that I can now cut as a right-handed quilter. If you're left-handed, you're going to do the reverse. And now you can trim from the other side. So we are working with a strip set and we need to subcut our strip set into individual units. Now we've already trimmed off the selvage edge, so now we need to make our additional cuts. So we are going to place our ruler on our trimmed strip set. Now when we do this, we want to use one of the seam lines as our guide. So we're placing a line on the ruler on that seam line. Our secondary reference point is going to be that trimmed edge. So the trimmed edge is running along this line on my ruler, and the seam line is running on this line of my ruler. And when I make my cuts, I will continue to use that same seam line as my reference to make sure that all of my cuts are consistent. Hope this helps. Happy stitching.